princess. Hey, look at me. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Suki. How are you, baby? Hey, say good morning to me. Say good morning to everyone. You silly girl. You silly girl. Hi, babe. Well, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Here's the fit. Yeah. No, that's all I've got. I'm going in today, so Sean already took the baby out. I will definitely be going out again today because it's going to be 65, which is beautiful. Not as beautiful as it's going to be, but still beautiful. Still loving it. And then I got to get my matcha going. So before I leave, I need my matcha, and then I'll do my thing. And then I have 2 jobs tomorrow. Did I tell you that? 2. I have one to film in the morning and then one to film in the afternoon. And then somewhere in between, something very, very serious and very exciting and really huge is happening. Something huge is about to happen. That's all I can say about that. But it's very exciting, and I'm nervous and scared out of my mind, but that's the little trailer for that. Anyway, let me show you the fit. Yeah. Went with the hearts. Got a little rhinestone headband today. I don't know why, but it always makes me feel really good, even though I lose a lot of hair when I use this. When I wear it, it gets caught, but it's worth it. It is fabulous. I need it. So sacrifices must be made. Anyway, I need to get that matcha going so I can get to work on time. So let's do that. Oh my God, it's so good. All right, I got to put this in a travel mug because I'm already running late. Shocking, I know. I just fed Suki some eggies. She's very happy, so that's that noise. Anyway, today's gonna be a great day. Super easy shoot, lots of fun, and then I come home, and it's gonna be great. And hubby's dropping me off. It's gonna be fantastic. I mean, I don't have to worry about parking. Life is good. Life is good. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in a travel thing and enjoy it, and I'll check in with you later. All right, hubby is taking me to go to work, which means I don't have to worry about parking today. Should be an easy, good day. Got my matcha. Yes, it's in a Starbucks mug from last year, Christmas. Anyway, I'll check in later. All right, let's do this. All right, head in there. Got the gear. Should be good. Good to go. All right. Shouldn't be too crazy. I hate bringing a camera though. Ah, fuck. Dang. Gotta take the stairs. Oh, man. This sucks. Ugh. Done. Now, to go back and edit. It wasn't so bad. It was easy. It was good. It'll be fine. So bummed. It's like chilly I wanted to take a walk with Suki while it was still sunny and nice. We really need a second car because this is no fun. Anyway, Sean's here, heading home. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. I'm so cold. Hi. Take me home.
Okay.
Do you want to take a walk? Good girl. No bark. Good girl. All right. Into the woods. Yeah, not today. It's too dark, babe. Come on. Tomorrow morning, since that'll be the only time. Let's not play that game. I thought maybe, but it's pretty dark in there. So let's just walk down here and then do the circle again. Yeah, I think that would be wiser. Are you talking to me? Did I accidentally drop the egg? And now you have it? And now, look how pretty you sit. Look, what a good down. You want the eggie? Make sure it's not too hot. Feels okay. You want the eggie? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Suki, speak. Good girl. Quiet. Suki, down. Yeah, you want that egg. Sit. Kiss. Up. Okay. All right. Come on. Come. Sit. Good sit. Wait. Sit. Sit. Suki, sit. Sit. Kiss. Okay. Good girl. Listen. Today, I worked. So, today, we're also gonna bake. Because, you know, I have all the ingredients to bake and I've been wanting to bake, so today we bake. And this is my little apron. I took out an egg and it accidentally fell. So Suki got the egg. She's very happy. She had 2 eggs today. And today we are gonna bake pumpkin bread. I know we made it before, but this time we're making it with, oh, I gotta go get them, hold on. All right, I got it. This time we're making it with walnuts. If you have an allergy to walnuts, don't make it with walnuts. So anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients and then we're gonna combine them. I'm gonna do it slightly different, like the actual way that the recipe says to do it, because I didn't do it that way because it turned out great anyway. But I'm gonna see if it's any better. They want me to whisk together the sugar and the eggs. Like there's white sugar, there's brown sugar and eggs, and they want me to whisk that together before I combine it with the dry ingredients. And I didn't do that. I just threw everything in one bowl. And it turned out great. I don't know. But I'm gonna do it like the way they want it, so let's get started. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 large room temperature eggs, half a cup of white sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of milk, as many chocolate chips as you want. This is what I have left. I have a little bit more, but all of these are going in, and these are the Ghirardelli. Yeah. They're amazing. And of course, I just measure with my heart, so I just sprinkle this shit in as much as I want. If you're not used to baking, just experiment. You'll figure it out. We have our 8.5-inch pan. I'm gonna spray it. And we spray it so nothing sticks to it. I'm almost done. Cool. Love that for us. Good news. I had a feeling that would happen. I got more. Get the edges. The whole thing. All right. And then, floop, we want a bowl. We want 2 bowls, actually. This one and a smaller one for the sugar and eggs. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to adjust the oven. Let's do that. Bake, 350, start, good to go. All right, we're gonna get started and we're gonna put in all our dry ingredients. So first things we need are flour, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and salt, all in here. So let's get started with that. I forgot to show you my bread flour. That is also in this. So if you are gluten-free, this is not a gluten-free recipe. Sorry. All right, so flour, 1 3/4 cups. One teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and cloves, 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Whisk all the dry ingredients together. Whisk all of that. Now for our wet ingredients. 2 eggs, half a cup of white sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Whisk your wet ingredients together. Add 1.5 cups of your pumpkin puree, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of milk, and whisk all together. Combine with your dry ingredients and mix. Add walnuts, however many you want. Use your heart. Add even more chocolate chips. Place the batter in your tin. Sprinkle walnuts and chocolate chips on top. Cleaned up everything. The bread is in the oven. She's got another 48 minutes. Yeah, that's what's going on. When she's out, I'll show you. She's gonna be gorgeous. I can tell you already. She is going to be so good, so good. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna check in with you later as soon as she's done. It's ready. It's ready. Uh-oh. Oh no. She expanded a little bit. Oh no. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. Just gonna need two hands for this one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh. Yeah. You ready? Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna let her cool because, well, I'm pretty sure I could just take her out. She needs to cool down a little bit. She's a little too hot. And, we'll enjoy her later, probably tomorrow. But I wish you could smell what it smells like, even in the whole kitchen, in the house. Lord, heaven. Let me get you some close-ups. Hold on. I'm so proud. I know what I'm having for breakfast tomorrow. Okay, anyway.
Action. Hey, Al. Al, can I have a bite? Okay. That's good.
Oh my God. Gorgeous. The most beautiful pumpkin bread. Dare I say, even better than last time I made it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Anyway, I'm gonna end today's episode. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Today was a busy day. Lots of work to do, filming and editing, and then same thing tomorrow, except I have 2 film jobs, which means I have 2 editing jobs, which means I have to get that done ASAP and out before I leave, because I'm not going to be back until next week. And next week is also the week I leave for the trip that I'm going to announce. But that'll be next week. I'll tell you all about that. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you bake something fun. I have a lot of baking ideas and things I'm going to bake this week. So I hope you're ready for a baking week, because it's going to be the great... Not British Bake Off, because there's nothing British about me, love. Absolutely nothing. So you're just going to have to live with me, just baking. Anyway, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Until next time.